Yes, sir. YouTube, what's going on? Got your boy Jew right here. This is gonna be the first official video of this channel. I am jumping into uncharted territory. I don't know nothing about this territory that I'm going into. So this is what we're gonna be doing. We documenting the whole journey from start to finish. It's gonna be amazing. You go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button because everything about to be crazy. What are you about to do, bruh? What you gonna do? We gonna be repairing my girlfriend's 2001 BMW 5 Series, which is right behind me. All right, let's go ahead and get into this thing. Alright, before I get into it, I'm just giving y'all a little tour real quick. Let y'all look in the car real quick. Let y'all see what's popping, alright? Go ahead and hop in here. Alright, so the car does not crank because we know for a fact we need a new battery, see? Put the key in there. See? No power, no nothing. Alright. You know what I'm saying? This thing nicer than a lot of new cars, you know? So, gonna hop in the back seat real quick, little sunroof, boy. That sunroof popping, all right? Gonna hop in the back real quick. Let's see everything comfortable back here, boy. I'm taking that back here. Check this the back. Everything nice. Headliner ain't hanging down, you know. Like that. We're gonna clean that up though. We'll clean it up. Pop the hood real quick. Pop this hood. Oh, I have to pull the lever again. Lever ain't released. It's alright though. Gonna try this again. It's cool. Oh, trying to die, y'all. We're trying to die. I'm gonna pop this hood. All right. Yes, sir. Got the V6. AC work, heat work. So if all that works, you, what's the problem? Why sit in the garage, you? Why is it sitting in the garage? So after having a mechanic come out here and inspect our BMW, we found out that our engine was blown. So we're gonna be replacing that engine. We're gonna be replacing the battery. We also found out that we need a new serpentine belt. We've never worked on cars before, so we're going to be doing all of this on our own with little to no mechanic assistance. I'm looking very, very forward to this project. It's gonna be dope. I don't want any of y'all to miss a single second of it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we got a new video out. I cannot wait to see y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe and y'all be blessed.